What information do I need to activate my Verizon SIM card online?
Hello, and welcome to our guide on activating your Verizon SIM card online. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with all the necessary information needed to activate your SIM card with ease. The key pieces of information you will need are your Verizon SIM card, your Verizon account details, and the device you want to activate.
What do you need to start?
To activate your Verizon SIM card online, you'll need several pieces of information. These include 1. Your new Verizon SIM card. This card contains the unique information necessary to connect your phone to the Verizon network. 2. Verizon account details. This includes your account number and password. You will need this information to log into your online account. 3. The device you want to activate. You'll need to have the device you wish to use with the Verizon SIM card on hand.
How do you log into your Verizon account?
Logging into your Verizon account is the first step in activating your SIM card. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to the Verizon Wireless website. 2. Navigate to the Sign In section. 3. Enter your user ID or mobile number and your password.
How do you activate your SIM card?
After logging into your account, you can proceed with activating your SIM card. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Navigate to the Activate or Switch Device option on your account dashboard. 2. Select the line on which you want to activate the new SIM card. 3. Enter the SIM card number found on the card or its packaging. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Note: during this process, you may be prompted to enter the IMEI number of your device. This number can typically be found in your device's settings or printed on the box that your device came in. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to successfully activate your Verizon SIM card online. Remember to have all your necessary information handy before you start the process. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now well equipped to get your new Verizon SIM card up and running. Enjoy your service with Verizon.